There's a fish. Wow, that's a nice fish. I have not hooked a fish on a spinnerbait yet. That's a big fish. Wow, this is a big fish. What's up, guys? So I'm back at the spot I caught my last bass at, my favorite spot to come and fish for bass. And I was sitting around home, I was really bored, and I really wanted to go and do something. So there was a break in the weather, so here I am, here to catch some bass. I brought with me, put on a spinnerbait that I've caught my last bass with. The last trip I was at with my dad on the kayaks, I couldn't get one to strike it. But I did go and buy some of these worms by Cream. And I'm going to see if that'll get me something, because this is the Texas rig that I got my last bass on. I hooked one and lost one, and then I caught that one in the kayak. But anyway, I'm going to get to fishing, and you guys are hopefully going to see me hook some fish and catch them. That'd be cool. Alright, stay tuned for the action. There's a fish. He came up and hit me right there. It's a largemouth. Already, guys. See that? He came up and hit me right at the bank. He ain't a big guy, but right on. I just barely got here. And that's bass 5 now. Spinnerbait. There's a fish. There's a fucking fish. Holy shit. Holy crap. Come on, get out of the fucking weeds. Damn. Oh, he's out. He's out of the weeds. Come on. No, don't go back in those weeds. Largemouth number 2. Crap. I need to let out some more line. Boy, I don't know if I can pick him up with this rod. Where's my line? Come on, line. Yeah. Fuck yes. This guy's been caught before. He's got some swords in his mouth. Largemouth number 2. Fuck yeah. There's a fish, guys. There's a fish. There's a fish, guys. I got me bass. I got me a fish, guys. I got him right out here now. It's a largemouth. No, it's a smallmouth. It's a tank of a smallmouth. Whew. Wow, guys. Tank, man. Holy shit, dude. Here we are, guys. I got me another toad smallmouth. Oh man, I love this spring bass fishing. Has been insane. It's been insane. Hell yeah. All right, I gotta weigh this guy. I gotta weigh him. There's a fish. There's a fish, guys. It's a little smaller. It's a smallmouth. Smallmouth. Got my blade all stuck up in your gill plate. That was weird. You slammed that. Fish number 2. There we go, I got another smallmouth. He ain't as big as the last one, but it's a smallmouth. That's fish number 2. Now, say goodbye. Alright, you guys, let's hope I don't fall on this log. I hope I don't.